You only fear competition when you're not complete with yourself. Many times, you tend to conform or grow complacent about X, your job, relationships, any extracurricular activities, etc. And someone comes along and seemingly out of nowhere snatches the throne. For starters, this occurrence wasn't random and it was built up through a lack of input you failed to put in. If you begin to fear you're being replaced, instead of projecting your resentment outward, try reflecting and pinpoint the root. Are you applying as much work as you were in the beginning? Are you constantly seeking new ways of improvement and/or evolvement? The only reason one might take your spotlight away would be if your ego allows you to grow stagnant and you do not accept new. The fault would be your own. At some point, you will have to come to understand and accept there will be others that will be better than you in some way. There's no way around that. But instead of fighting the inevitable, welcome it. When you are able to humble yourself and learn from those that excel more than you in a particular field, whether foreign or familiar, growth occurs. Exchanging your conventional thoughts and receiving unorthodox views will lead you forward to a new open space. The hunger and excitement you once had in the beginning will reignite. And by learning new mannerisms, you will be able to put your own unique twist. Add some of your sauce and flavor to it. Because no matter what, no one will be able to replace you. And that should bring you an infinite level of reassurance. Now, there will be a sense of jealousy and envy towards your fellow brother or sister that is excelling. Don't deny it because it's there. To say that you don't feel that would be a lie because these are normal human traits. However, there are productive and counterproductive ways to deal with these ugly emotions. Making passive-aggressive remarks, along with a condescending attitude, is a great example of a counterproductive way of handling it. It may sound obvious, but many need to hear this. Absolutely nothing positive comes from dismissing and looking down on someone else's success. Just because you might not agree with their choices doesn't make them any less than you. But if you take their success as an encouragement to hone your craft and learn from their executions, well, that's a great example of a productive way to handle even the ugliest human traits. Focus on your own path because you are you and they are them. The ride doesn't stop for someone else's success and for others' failures. See, if you're in this forever, you simply don't care about new cats coming in because there's always space. Space is infinite and there's always room for someone new. There is no competition because no one can be you, so own it. When you reach this level of security within yourself, you will be able to appreciate others' creative interpretations and expressions of life.